Hey guys, we're live at 3:33. We're running a 3-winner mini for the 16 complete figure lot. I'm going to copy the spot. There it is. Top 3 again win spots in the main. Going to come over here to random to paste our list in of 18 spots. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got a 9er. So we're good. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Todd in the top spot for round 1. Ron 2, Todd 3, Ron again on top in round 4, and 5, and 6. He's on a roll. Round 7 goes to Jeff. Round 8 goes to Todd, and our winners are Todd, Ron, and Todd. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. P-R-U-S-B-A. Prusba. There you have it. I am done at 3:34 p.m. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guys. Be sure to pick your spots in order in the main. Thanks a lot.